Every morning, lessons to prepare. So much to teach, so much to share. Papers to check, ideas to find. AI can help and save your time. Technology is changing in a brand new way. The future is calling, don't be afraid. With AI beside you, a brighter path is made. Open your mind, don't stay behind. The future belongs to those who learn. One new skill can change your life. Now it's your turn. Learn AI, let your classroom shine. Save your time and inspire every mind. Teach with confidence, lead the way. Building tomorrow, starting today. Learn AI, unlock the door. Create, imagine, and so much more. Every teacher has the power to grow. The future begins with what you know. Lesson plans in just a few clicks. Creative quizzes, videos, and tricks. Personal learning for every child. Making every lesson fun and worthwhile. It's not about replacing you. It's giving teachers something new. Your wisdom and AI together as one. Helping every student learn and have fun. The world is moving, don't wait too long. Every great teacher can stay strong. Learn today, inspire tomorrow. Replace the fear, forget the sorrow. Learn AI, your future starts now. Every teacher, take the vow. Empower students, dream more high. Together we'll reach the sky. Learn AI, be bold, be wise. See new possibilities arise. The best teachers never stop learning. Their passion is forever burning. So take the first step, don't delay. The classroom of tomorrow begins today. With knowledge, purpose, heart, and AI, every teacher can help the future fly.